Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get LinkedIn learning courses. So for that, you have to just simply open up any of your browser and simply search for linkedin.com. So the LinkedIn official website will be opened here. Here, what you have to do is just simply make sure that you have logged in with your account. So after logging in with your account, you have to just simply go to the your for business section. So after clicking on this business section, you have to just simply go to this learning section. Here is the learning. You have to simply click on this option. So after clicking on it, your learning section of the LinkedIn will be opened here. So if you have done any courses, then you have to just simply go to my library. If you have not done any courses, so you have to simply go to certification section. So here you have to just simply select any of the company of which you want to get the certifications. So after clicking on any of the company, you have to simply select any of the courses. You guys can get any of courses and get certificates from here. So right now I have not done any courses, but I'm going to tell you how you can get certification. So if you have done any courses from here, you have to just simply go to the my library, which is here. So after tapping on that, now you have to simply go to learning history. In the learning history, you will be able to see all of these courses which you have got for certifications. So here the list of all courses will be displayed here. You have to simply click on the three dot of any of the course and simply go to download button. So after clicking on download button, and you have to simply go to download PDF, or you guys can also post the link of your post or link of your certification from here. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.